If you're finding it hard to come up with a marketing plan for your professional organizing business, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a pretty solid strategy that served me well and will help you put all the other things in place, like social media content, networking, publicity, and getting referrals. It's all about carving out your unique corner in the world of organizing and becoming well known in your community. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. If you're joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Here I go beyond the surface of simple organizing techniques and dig a little deeper into the world of extreme decluttering and large-scale downsizing strategies. You'll get an insider's perspective on the life of a professional organizer, and I offer additional coaching and courses to support your journey. For access to these resources, check out the links in the description below. So why should you be known for something? To stand out and thrive in a crowded marketplace of professional organizers, you need to be recognized for something distinctive. So whether you're the go-to closet designer, the master of paperwork organization, or the expert senior downsizer, your unique specialization becomes your business brand and identity. To capture the attention of potential clients amidst a plethora of general organizers, you need to present yourself as a specialist. By focusing your marketing on a specialty service, you're not just an organizer, you're the expert that your clients will seek out even at a premium. The second reason to define your niche is all about triggering recall. When someone thinks about that overflowing closet, the big move that they have coming up, how much time they spend looking for paperwork, that disorganized playroom, or how their parents are going to downsize, they should think of you. That's the level of recall you want to trigger those potential clients into becoming customers. Okay, so how are we going to do that? You can definitely use your social media platforms to consistently emphasize your niche. You can share success stories, offer niche specialized organizing tips, interact with your audience. Even better, network with other businesses in your area who work with the same population and the same needs, so they can refer you to that potential client. Another reason to develop your niche is that you can increase the value of your services. By concentrating on a particular service, you can master your craft. This not only boosts your reputation, but also justifies a higher pricing for your specialized and highly qualified services. Now, when you're starting out, it's okay to go through a refinement period, meaning you are going to have a little trial and error. You can spend a few weeks talking up a particular service and connecting with a particular market. And what may happen is people will say, well, I don't really need help with redesigning my closet, but my garage is full of stuff left over from our move and I don't even know where to start. Now you're having a conversation with a potential client. You can take that job, and if you love that type of work, you can connect with more families who need help settling into their new homes after a move. So there is a little back and forth, but flushing out your niche will get you in the conversations with potential clients and lead sources. Defining your niche should not be restrictive, it's empowering. It lets you narrow down your marketing focus and refine your skills and get noticed. So think about what sets you apart and then let your community know about it. Now, you may be thinking, I'm just starting out. I'm not really an expert in anything. But I would challenge you to look at your past experiences, either life experiences or other jobs, to find out what specialized services you could offer right now when you're getting your business started. I've put together my free professional organizer's launch guide, which includes a Define Your Niche worksheet. You can find the link to those resources in the description below. They are designed to provide you with tools and insights you need to establish your unique identity in the professional organizing world. So where are you on launching your business? Is it just a dream, or have you taken some steps to get it off the ground? Let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.